Hello guys, welcome to Daily Hacks channel. In this video I'm going to tell you how to open these lights and how to get access to the wires of this light. In this video I will tell you the secret tricks. These lights actually called dome lights, sometimes called down ceiling lights as well. So I'm going to tell you how to open this and how to access the cable behind it. If you are an electrician or you are qualified or not, but these lights are very simple to install. So let's give it a try. So the first thing is, first you have to see this is the cover for this. Most of these dome lights get open when you click, when you put your hands on it and try to rotate to the anti-clockwise, and you see it's got loose. That front cover, you have to remove the front cover first because it's got the threads at the back. If you see, I'm not sure I can show you at the back of the cover there is a thread, so it's a like same like onto the screws and the threads, so this is why you can open it. So let's open. This is how you can lift it, and there we go. This is the back of the light. And if you want to get into that light and want to change it, if it's not working at the moment, the first thing is always isolate your power supply. Don't touch the wires while your power supply is on, otherwise you're gonna get the like serious injury, just because this is like 240 volts and 230 volts, so this can seriously harm your self. So this is why I always isolate my power supply, or you can turn the switch off and from the main breaker as well. So this is how you can open the cover, and you can see there is like a screws on it, and there we go, 1 2 3. So I'm looking for the base screws. I'm not gonna touch it. You can see from the very fall, this is a screw, that one as well, and this one. So these are the three screws which are actually holding that LED. So you have to unscrew these three screws and you can get back into the light. So this is how you can actually change the light. Or if you see, when you open this LED, there is some more screws. If I show you from here, you can see at the here there is a screw at the back of the LED where the LED is. So this is actually going into your wall for the frame. So first you have to, if you are thinking to install it, you have to install your frame. This is your frame at the back of the light, and then you have to put your LED where your connection would be. And the connections are very simple. If you see onto the, from this side, the brown light and the brown cable, and the yellow one and the black one. So the brown one is your always live, and I'm not as I didn't open it, so you can see the blue cable at the back, which is actually your neutral, and brown is in the UK is always live, and the green is your earth wire. So this is how you can there is only like 3 wires, so you can change it anyway. So this is how you can change your light, and you can put your light cover back as well. There we go, there's my cover, and if I just put it around and try to rotate it, this will get fit onto the light and your light is ready. That was my simple trick. Was my simple hack to open these type of lights. It's just because most of the people get struggle whenever they don't know how to open. They try to put screwdriver here and they broke the light front cover. So this is how you can actually open it. Hope so you'll like my video. If you did, subscribe my channel Daily Hacks, and see you in the next video.